Hello YouTube, let's get started. So today we are going to see about the creating color values. So what are color values? Color values are simply nothing but the specifying some value type. For example, let's say double F and 4 times 0. If you, for example, let's say here we have a document and now we would like to change the background color to red. Okay, right, fine. So generally what people do, as of the previous tutorial we have seen, you have to just type in as red, right, and save this, and obviously we are going to get a background color as red. So now we are going to do the same function in a different way. And how are we going to do the same function in a different way? We are going to use a value. We are going to assign a value to the red color. So let me assign a value to red color. So as a already given value, or as a already set value, or predefined value, we have for red color, that is we have to put a slash and double F and 4 times the 0. So this particular value just simply tells us that it is a red color. So why are we using this instead of just typing in red? So this there's no big difference between you typing in as a red or giving a value. Here we are going to just tell you that this is also another way of assigning colors, right? So now you may ask why there's a slash here. We have a slash over there, or a hashtag you can call it in the modern way. Uh, we have a hashtag or a slash over there just to tell it is of hexadecimal value, which simply means this whole term, the highlighted term, is nothing but it is in a hexa value which is of base 16. That is what it's telling to browser, which is this particular hashtag is telling that this highlighted one is of hexadecimal value type. Hashtag just specifies that it's a hexadecimal value type. Yeah, that's it. That's the word function of hashtag. Function of hashtag is just reminding the browser that whatever is the in between the double quotation followed by me, that basically hashtag is nothing but it is in the form of hexadecimal. That's it guys. And now let's save this document and now see the difference. Well, we don't find difference, right? It's all the same. So so like so in the same way, let's see the assigned color to the black. Yeah, for the black, it's 6 times the 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 simple. And here we go. Here we can see the black. So now let's see for blue. For blue, it's it it's just the reverse of the red. It's 4 times the 0 and 2 times the F. And here we go. And for the lime color, it's double 0 double F and double 0, double 0 double F and double 0. And here we go. It's green. It's like a lime green, right? It's nothing but the color of a lime, a bit, right? Yeah. And now for the silver, the hexadecimal value is nothing but C0 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 in an alternating way, thrice attack thrice. You have to type in alternating way thrice. Here you can see the silver color, and white it's 4 times the letter F. 1 2 3 4 5. It's total 6 and it's 4 times, right? We get a white color. Screen, well, you can see on the screen, these are the other color values which are known as of now. uh, these you can use in your projects if required. Now let's see something called as comments. So what are the comments? Comments are not what you're putting in my YouTube comments. These are called as comments. The comments which are called in HTML are nothing but just when someone, let's say, when someone as a programmer just like you got your files and is viewing your files, but he doesn't know what you're typed in. What is what? He doesn't know what is what. He can't relate it. So in such a way, in such a situation, you can actually, while you're programming, you can put some comments in, as you can see on the screen. Comments usually begin with the brackets and an exclamatory mark and two two dashes, and end with two dashes and brackets close. This highlighted part is nothing but the beginning of the comment, and so continued by the end of the comment. This highlighted part, just a minute. This highlighted part is the end of the comment. So anything between this is recognized as a comment, and these are not shown on the browser. These are just inside your file. If someone opens your file, this can tell them what is this, like this. The comments can tell the person what they are viewing. Let's say this is the head of the body or document, and well, we can even type here as this is the end of the head of the document. In this way, you can put up n number of comments for which all you feel there's a need to explain to someone who is viewing your documents or your HTML, right? And these are not at all recognized by the browsers, and this is not displayed on the browsers too. Let's put a comment here. This is the last link tag, right? And let's see it on the screen. Are we getting anything? No, we are not getting. Which simply means that all these comments which we are on, which is inside the document, are just inside the document as explained before.